super important because a lot of people don't have any idea what they're doing. And they may not even know you need to have money there ready to go that day. So they might bid and think they have a week or a month to pay for it. And then what happens? They can't afford it. They can't pay for it. Goes back onto the auction, and there can be some really, really good deals that kick in. But always learn the rules. So that's why we're here, to help you guys learn the rules. In the description, if you get the ABCs, we walk you through how to get the rules, how to navigate them. You see, there's 3,300 of these counties, and everyone is a little bit different. That's why this business will never be super mainstream, is because of the fact that every county is its own little kingdom and how they operate the rules. So our job, it's like driving your car. If you're driving in Florida, you want to go to California, every time you enter a new state, you follow the rules of the road. So that's what we are here to do. So it's time for everybody to dive in. I recommend go back, follow along to this video, and follow along with us so that you can be taking some action, learning this, and then come back on Thursday, ask us some questions, and we'll be here to help you guys out. So the most important thing is to take some action. You know, it's I like to say the best time to start in real estate was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. It's never going to be as easy as it is today to get started. So the more you put this off, the harder it's going to get, especially with AI making things easier and faster. So if you guys like this, just a favor, hit the thumbs up, subscribe. Below, like I say, is the free mini course to help you get started. You can check out Tax Lien School. We have everything you need to get going. And yeah, it's been great. Go dive in and let us know how you do. All right, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I have a free gift for you for watching a free mini course called The ABCs of Tax Lien and Deed Investing. This is one of the best books on tax liens, and it is totally free as my gift to you for watching. In the description below, it'll walk you through tax liens from start to finish, along with the directories with all 1,500 tax lien and deed counties put here so that you don't have to go and search around the internet to find them on your own. So the other thing I have is, if you already have this book and you want to do a deep dive, my team and I have found an auction with a whole bunch of properties worth 200 to 300 grand, opening bids of just 1,600 bucks. So if you want to deep dive and attend an auction with some help, you can also schedule a free call below and we can discuss helping you in this business. Regardless, thanks for watching. You can check things out in the description below and enjoy the videos. We'll see you soon.